Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of February, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.05. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 1.91% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This amounts to an average daily loss of negative 0.64% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of negative 5.33% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 20.01% to positive 0.91%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of negative 5.56%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from negative 29.87% to positive 43.66% over the next year. This translates to a future price estimate somewhere between $3.25 and $6.65. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for NIO as Stock Downgraded to Hold Accumulate. The NIO stock price fell by 3.34% on the last day, which was Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, dropping from $4.79 to $4.63. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.42%, with a low of $4.43 and a high of $4.67. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, with an overall gain of 8.69% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 74 million shares, resulting in a total of 59 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $271.69 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.70, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is 39.87%, or $3.07, below the 52-week high, and 93.09%, or $62.36, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has experienced noteworthy movement in its stock price recently, rising by 14% over the past month. This increase has been driven by robust delivery numbers, strategic expansions of its network, and the introduction of new products, all occurring despite fierce competition and economic uncertainties. In the short term, this upward momentum may attract more investors, enhancing demand for shares and potentially further elevating stock prices. Additionally, the stock gained 1.48% on the 27th of February, continuing a positive trend observed over the preceding trading days. Market observers are particularly looking forward to NIO's upcoming earnings report, with many analysts speculating that it may lead to a big positive surprise. This anticipation could heighten investor optimism, possibly resulting in further price appreciation as the earnings release date approaches. Recent forecasts suggest that a recovery for NIO may be on the horizon, with predictions indicating a potential 75% surge in stock price by 2025. However, it is important to acknowledge the stock's historical volatility. NIO has experienced significant declines over the past year, rendering current gains somewhat precarious. Investors should exercise caution and closely monitor market reactions. Overall, if NIO can deliver favorable earnings and sustain its growth trajectory, it could significantly influence its long-term stock performance, establishing it as a strong contender in the electric vehicle market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was further reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts continue to rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $4.51 and $4.30. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 27, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 3.34%. Continued decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 64 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you're looking for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.44. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock shows average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 2 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 5.42%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors outside their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profits and the potential risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of March 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $0.420. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for NIO is at $4.72. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $4.44. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock dates back more than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.40, reflecting a decrease of 5.03%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO has several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of March, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately 5.33 cents and begin trading at $4.58. We want to remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.